Hello guys, welcome back. In this WhatsApp Flutter tutorial, the last video we integrated our camera to the app. I'm sorry guys, I left you guys with an error. I forgot to put some code in the initial state. We're going to fix that first, and so in this video we're going to connect our app to Firebase, and a few things we have to do first before we connect our Android app to Firebase, like converting our Android app to Android and all other stuff. So let's do it. I'll show you guys an easy way to do that. So just open your Android Studio if you have it. If not, you can follow how to convert to Android X using Visual Studio Code. There's a tutorial on the Flutter website. So guys, I'll use Android Studio because it's straightforward. So guys, let's do it. In your Android Studio, just click open an existing Android project if you used to create it using Visual Studio Code. And so if you've been creating it using Visual Studio Code, you have to open an existing Android Studio project. If you've been using it with Android Studio, it's fine. So just open an existing Android Studio project and go to the location where you stored your project. In my case, I stored it on desktop. My desktop, right here in this folder. It's loading. Desktop, tutorial, and WhatsApp Flutter tutorial. This is the app that we've been creating. So let it open. Loading components for WhatsApp Flutter tutorial. After the app has successfully loaded, we shall continue from there. So guys, once the Android Studio has successfully loaded the project and synced the files, I'm gonna show you guys where the problem was. If you experience an error in your last video, we didn't initialize this list of cameras first, so let's go ahead and do that. Just write this code, which is cameras, which equals await available cameras, and this will initialize. We'll get all the cameras, the list of all cameras on the device, and hopefully your error will be fixed. So back to today's content. So on your Android Studio is kind of advanced in this Flutter development compared to VS Code, so I'm gonna use it for this video and any other technical video that may require its intensive use. So just go to your tools. While the project is open, go down to Flutter. Make sure you're using the latest version of Android Studio. Go down to Flutter and open the Flutter command, open for editing in Android Studio. So this command will open the Android module of the Flutter project as an Android project, as a normal Android project, not as a Flutter project. And from there, we shall be able to migrate our app to Android X, which is necessary to use the latest Flutter, the latest Firebase APIs and dependencies. So let's do that quickly. Click open for editing in Android Studio, and Android Studio will open another project, the Android project will open this Android folder as a separate Android Studio project. And so let's wait for it to open. So here it is, the project. So as it's indexing, we'll continue after all things have loaded successfully. So guys, after the Android module of the project has been successfully opened by Android Studio, we're going to go ahead and migrate the app to Android X. So just on top, in the top above the and still just click on refactor and move down and click on Migrate Android. Back up the project as a zip file because you might need the project back if the migration fails. So back up, set the location where you should back it up, and yeah, looking for usages. So you'll find some usages. Just click on do refactor. If it fails, just repeat the process and I think it will happen. So it has successfully migrated the app to Android, and it will perform some operations. It will start building the app again, and yeah, so guys, we'll be back when the project is ready. So guys, after migrating your app to Android, we'll have to enable multi-dex. You need not understand what multi-dex means, but you can just read it on the official documentation for Android. When your app and the libraries it references exceed 65,536 method, you encounter a build error that indicates your app has reached the limit for Android build architecture. So to escape this error, let's enable multi-dex prior to Android 5.0. Since we are using Android X, we'll have to copy these dependencies. Let's copy. Go back to your project. Make sure you have closed the Android. You need not close the Android project, but just close the Android project and go back to your original Flutter project and go to your app build.gradle file. On your Android folder, go to app build.gradle and paste in the code that you copied the website. Copy dev multi-dex version 2.0.1 and make sure you don't copy the dependencies version, just copy the inner codes of the dependencies and come and paste it inside the Android the build.gradle app build.gradle file. Now we're okay, and now we are ready to connect our app to Firebase. So in your Firebase console, let me just switch my account. Make sure you have logged in with the email that you prefer in your Google account. And guys, yeah, so once you have logged in successfully with your Google account, as you can see, I have two projects already here. So I'm gonna create a new project for the WhatsApp tutorial. Just click on add new project, name it, the name I've given it, analytics location, let's just leave it as the United States. Let's accept the terms and conditions and let's create the project. So as it's creating the project, let's wait on it. And so let's continue. So let's connect our Android app. Just click on this Android icon, and the Android package name, go back to your Flutter project, to your Android app.gradle file, go to your default configuration, copy this code which is your default application ID, go back to your browser, paste it here, just paste it there, and the nickname of the app, let's give it any nickname. You can name it whatever you want, so I'm gonna give it clone of Flutter. The SHA-1 certificate, so I'm gonna show you guys how to create a SHA-1 certificate. So in your Google, just Google SHA-1, get SHA-1 certificate, get SHA-1 terminal. So SHA-1 fingerprint key store certificate. Let's just go to any website. Let's use Stack Overflow. Okay, Google SHA-1 certificate. Let's copy this command, let's copy, open your terminal, you can run the same command on Windows, the respective command for Windows. So in your terminal, just paste in that command and click on enter. So the command will perform its actions and you will get the SHA-1 certificate here. So guys, I won't allow you to view my SHA-1 certificate. Go back to your tutorial, paste the SHA-1 certificate there. No, not like that. Go back to the terminal, SHA-1. No, this way it's that from. Copy, go back to your browser, paste it, click on register app. After the app has been successfully registered, download the Google services.json config file. So after it's downloaded, go next, go into your project level build.gradle, copy this code, copy this class path, com.google.gms Google Services 4.2.0 project level Gradle file, the other build.gradle file, go to your dependencies, paste it, class path com.gms Google Services 4.2.0, and go back to your browser. In your app level build.gradle, copy Firebase code, go back to your app in the project level, in the app level, just paste in that dependency, Firebase code, and let's apply this plugin at the bottom of the file. And so guys, we are good to go. Go into your downloads folder where you downloaded the Google services.json, copy, copy it, go to your app directory, the Android app directory, right click on it, paste the file, okay, and so guys, we are ready to run all Firebase works on the Flutter app. So I think that's it. That's how you connect your app to Firebase. Sorry for that error I left you in the last video, and yeah, let's meet in the next video so that you may start the authentication process and all other Firebase stuff.